Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bathtub. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to cut your bottle down, and the easiest way to do that is to take your marker that you have, sharp marker, and something taller than the marker. Then you're going to go around the entire bottle like this. And then you're going to cut that line out with your knife or with your scissors, depending on what you have. Titanium scissors are really good. Kitchen shears are really good. They both will cut. But they have to be sturdy. You can't just cut them out and do it with not sturdy scissors. Alright, after that you want to go ahead and poke 2 holes in the back using a needle. And then you want to go ahead and get yourself some beads. Alright, now these are some earring backs. Alright, and this is a spacer. It's a seed spacer. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in there. Then I'm going to stick it in my earring back. Alright, you want to get yourself some crazy glue and put a little bit of crazy glue on there so it doesn't pop back forward. And then you want to stick it in the hole that you created. Alright, and you want to do the same thing to the next one. Now these little earring backs come in silver and they come in gold, so you have an option of what color you want to use. Gold you would consider to be brass if you were thinking of faucet. I mean, there are some gold faucets, but not very many. Alright, and then there you have it, and try and zoom in a little bit so you can see. Alright, now put some crazy glue behind that and then snip the back off with some wire cutters. Okay, take some alcohol and rub that off of there, or some Goo Gone, or you can just paint it. Alright, now as far as the faucet goes, you want to take a pair of round pliers. And you want to bend it. Alright, determine the height that you want it to be at, and then cut it off. Alright, now you want to remove the sticker before you do this next part. I don't really care because mine's going to be against the wall, so I'm not going to worry about moving that sticker. Or I won't even use this one because I have one in the house that I have already. Okay, so just run a bead of hot glue down there. Kind of flatten it out a little bit with the copper. Alright, and then once you have it like that, then you want to take a pair of scissors or something that's flat, and you want to go ahead and put that over top of it. Butter knife, anything, just to kind of help flatten that glue out. Okay, and then you can peel off the excess that's at the bottom. Alright. Now, for your drain stopper, you can use this little tiny spacer for beads. And you're going to apply some glue and put it right there. This you have to do kind of quickly because the hot glue will dry. And you're only using a tiny bit. In fact, too much came out just then. That's okay. I'll pull the rest of it off. let that dry, or cool down rather. Alright, now at this point, you want to poke a hole in the bottom for your drain. Hold that bit. And you can either use a rivet or one of these crimp sleeves. I'm using the crimp sleeve because that's what I have here. And your plastic will shrink back into place here, so you want to do it before it goes back into place. Make sure you make your hole big enough. Mine's not big enough yet. There we go. Alright, and there is the drain. Put some glue on it and you're good to go. And you're going to want to cut it too, so that you can set your tub flat. But cut your wires off the back. There's your drain. There's your bathtub. And that's it. You can watch the tutorial for this one as well. This one has the little removable shower head. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a question, suggestion, or comment below. And we will see you in the next video. Click the bell to be notified if you want to see more. And don't forget to download your free templates and tutorials with the free printable wallpaper, backsplashes, and floor tiles on my website, dollhousetutorials.com. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.